Welcome back. I'm Bill and you're watching Crash Course Hotels. In this week's episode, we're doing the Novotel in Taiping, Malaysia. Stay tuned for more details. Here's the entrance. You can see right here, get dropped off by your grab. Decent sized lobby with plenty of seating. It's going to be a good episode, guys. It's going to be 2 bonus features on this hotel, and we'll cover it all under 7.5 minutes. So stick around. But very nice lobby. I was upgraded at this hotel to a suite, which is nice. You can see large bed, computer desk across the way, along with an extra chair. Over here on the other side, you have the couch, which I believe pulls out as well. Over near the front of the room, you got plenty of closet space. You got your iron and ironing board. Of course, your robes. You can see we had plenty of room for all of our luggage. You got a coffee maker and tea. Of course, you got your safety box as well as the refrigerator down below. Very nice, large bathroom in this room. You can see you have the hair dryer. Just tons of counter space in this one. There's your typical restroom there as far as Southeast Asia with the bum gun. Nice separate shower area with your shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here's a look at the fitness center. Good size fitness center at this location. And a nice assortment of machines. This hotel, a lot of the amenities are all located right near each other. The pool, the fitness center. There's a children's play area. We'll show that in a minute. Here's the pool. Nice views from this area, as you can tell, and just plenty of space around the pool. You've got your chairs and, of course, your umbrellas. Little kiddie pool off to the side. And you saw the showers there to get cleaned up before you jump in. There we go. Now another view of that. Look at that view. It's beautiful up here. Love the mountains in Malaysia. Here's that kiddie area I talked about. You're going to drop your kids off and give them somewhere to wear themselves out, hopefully. There you go. Sometimes you need that with the little ones. Let's take a look at breakfast here. I only got to film breakfast one day at this location because we moved on from Taiping, but they had plenty of good hot food. I do remember they had very good spring rolls at this location. So if you're a fan of those, they have them on the breakfast. So it was really good. You see the typical stuff with cheese and vegetables and your salad, of course, eggs, and plenty of different types of beverages. And the love for toast continues. You can see a nice assortment of different types of bread for you to toast there. All right, here's one of those amenities. This is the second hotel in a row that I stayed at in Malaysia that was connected to a mall. I love it. You see right there, as soon as we stepped out, there was the 7-Eleven. Just all kinds of places for you to run food, or you need to pick up last minute items. I'm a huge fan of this. Uh-oh, wait a minute. This might be a little incriminating. Wait. I'll just go in and check the prices. Don't worry, we won't actually order anything. But we should just go in real quick and see what they offer, you know. Here's the second amenity that I thought was really cool. Is literally this crosswalk is right there at the hotel. We can wait for the little green guy and safely cross the street. And there's a market. And if you go to Malaysia, you have to go to the markets. You have markets all across Southeast Asia, but I will say there's a certain vibe I get from these markets in Malaysia. You can go 9 or 10 o'clock in the evening. There's still tons of families out here getting something to eat, getting something to drink. It appears to be a social thing in many of the cities that I visited. And here we go. This is literally the stereotypical Malaysian market. Definitely a fun experience, something I would recommend. I went to a bunch of these as I traveled across Malaysia, and honestly, I enjoyed every one of them. So you can see this is locals, not a lot of tourists in here.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.